Hi and welcome to your Momentum Booster Shot. Quick coaching for smart business growth designed to help you get momentum every day and results all year. Now, you might be doing all the hard work to get leads and make more sales, but are your customers experiencing friction, confusion, or even silence after they say yes? Now, the place to start with this conundrum is to walk through your customer's journey and spot what's missing. So, map out their journey step by step. What happens from the first contact to delivery of your product or service and beyond that? Every step should be clear, it should be intentional, and it needs to be consistent. Secondly, where are the dropout points? Are customers getting stuck? Are they ghosting you, or are they disengaging at certain points of your process? Because that's a signal that something needs fixing. And then thirdly, what can you do to enhance the experience at each and every touch point? So for instance, that could be something like a simple welcome email, a check-in call, or a progress update, because these seemingly small, insignificant touches can turn a good experience into a great one. Okay, your momentum move for today. Choose one stage of your customer journey. That could be onboarding, it could be delivery, it could be follow-up, and ask yourself, what would make this step smoother, clearer, or more valuable? And remember, these tips only work if you work them, so give this a go. Take this idea from theory to practice and from practice to mastery. Trust me, you will thank yourself later. Because one step every day in the right direction, that's momentum.